Click Rename. Enter the new file name in the pop-up window, and then click Confirm. You'll see the file name has been successfully updated. The second button is Voice Note. If a voice note was added to the picture on the device after capturing, this button will be clickable. Otherwise, it will appear gray and unclickable. Now, select a picture with a voice note and click the Voice Note button. The pop-up window will play the voice note. The third button is Text Note. Click it. If there is no content in the pop-up window, this means no text note was added to the picture on the device when it was captured. You can add notes later in the software. For pictures with text notes created on the device, it will display the notes. The last one is Location Note. It displays the location information. To enable location notes, make sure the device's location function is turned on. Click the Location Note button to view the map location of this picture.